Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 Samsung phones in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading Samsung phone that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a 512GB AI smartphone with incredible features. Let's see what makes this phone stand out. Streamline your day with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's AI assistant. Ask it to search for a pet-friendly vegan restaurant and text a friend, multiple tasks, one simple ask. Start your day smarter with Now Brief. This feature gives you the info you need before you even know you need it, keeping you one step ahead all the time. Capture vibrant videos and minimize unwanted noise with the AI camera's audio eraser. Enjoy reliving your favorite moments with fewer distractions, even in low-light conditions. Take stunning portraits with advanced features that adjust skin tones and preserve natural textures. Every shot looks polished and professional, enhancing the beauty in every face. Switching to the Galaxy S25 Ultra is quick and easy. With Smart Switch, move your pics, videos, music, apps, contacts, and convos safely in just a few steps. In conclusion, that's our review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're seeking a powerful, feature-rich smartphone, this is the one for you. Number 4. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE AI phone. This renewed, factory-unlocked Android smartphone has fantastic features. Let's dive right in. Capture stunning photos and improve them with Photo Assist using Galaxy AI. Move, resize, or remove objects effortlessly for picture-perfect results. Your photos will always be post-worthy. Never get lost in translation again. Understand text, calls, and conversations in another language with real-time translations powered by Galaxy AI. Communication has never been easier. Want to relive those special moments? Use Instant Slow Mo with Galaxy AI to replay any video in epic slow motion. Just tap and hold to capture the magic. The S24 FE's powerful battery ensures you can do what you love without worrying about running out of juice. Galaxy AI manages apps to extend battery life. Capture highlights in low light with Night Portrait. Galaxy AI analyzes and optimizes your low-light shots, bringing out details and making your photos shine even in the dark. In conclusion, that's our review of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE AI phone. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile smartphone, this is a great choice. Number 3. The Samsung Galaxy S22. It's factory unlocked, renewed, and packed with impressive features. Let's explore what makes this phone a standout choice. The S22's 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is stunning with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ certification. Corning Gorilla Glass ensures durability. It's sleek, compact, and feels premium in hand. Powered by the fast 4nm processor and Android 12, this phone delivers seamless multitasking. With 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, you can run apps and store files effortlessly. Capture amazing photos and videos with the 50MP rear camera and 8K video recording. The front camera ensures clear and crisp selfies. Your photography game just got an upgrade. The S22's long battery life keeps you powered all day. Fast charging support means you can quickly recharge and get back to your tasks without delay. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB Type-C 3.2, the S22 offers versatile connectivity options. It's fully unlocked, compatible with GSM and CDMA carriers for maximum flexibility. In conclusion, that's our review of the Samsung Galaxy S22. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and versatile phone, this is a great option. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 5G in sleek black. This renewed, unlocked phone packs a punch with top-notch features. Let's check it out. With a 6.4-inch FHD+ dynamic AMOLED 2X display, HDR10+ certified, and a 120Hz refresh rate, the S23 FE delivers stunning visuals and smooth performance. It looks and feels premium. Equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage, this phone handles multitasking and gaming effortlessly. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless performance. Capture breathtaking photos with the 50MP rear camera, 8MP telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide lenses. The 10MP front camera ensures amazing selfies. Your photography game just leveled up. The 4500 mAh battery keeps you powered throughout the day. With fast charging support, you'll spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your phone. This fully unlocked phone works with most GSM and CDMA carriers, offering flexibility and freedom. Just insert your SIM, activate, and you're good to go. In conclusion, that's our review of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 5G. If you want a stylish, powerful, and versatile phone, this is it. Number 1. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G in Phantom Black. It's renewed, unlocked, and packed with amazing features. Let's dive in. The sleek Phantom Black design looks stunning and feels premium. The large 6.8-inch display ensures an immersive experience while watching videos or browsing. Truly a masterpiece. With its powerful Exynos 2100 chipset and 128GB storage, this phone delivers top-notch performance. Multitasking is a breeze, and you can run heavy apps without a hitch. The S21 Ultra 5G boasts a quad-camera setup, capturing stunning photos and videos. With 108MP main camera, ultra-wide, and dual telephoto lenses, your photography game will be next level. Worried about battery life? The 5000 mAh battery ensures you can use your phone all day without constantly searching for a charger. Fast charging support is a bonus. This phone is unlocked, meaning you can use it with any GSM or CDMA carrier of your choice. Flexibility and freedom in one package. In conclusion, that's our review of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and versatile phone, this could be the one for you. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.